Happy new month to everyone. This is Matthew again, and today is 1st of March 2026. This is a continuation of our volatility accumulator strategies. We got a lot of feedbacks from traders, and they all make a lot of money, and they want us to drop more strategies on all the volatilities. So today we drop 91x, 101x, it's 101x, and we're going to drop more today across all our channels. So make sure you subscribe to our channels to watch all these strategies. So here is for volatility 101x, and we're on the D-Trader interface. It's dark mode. So once you log into your trading account, you go to volatility 101x. You go to the indicator, you choose momentum, then you click on the MACD. Is going to show right here, MACD. Then you go to the trade type here, you click on accumulator. Then the growth rate here, you set it to 5%, and you set the amount you want to stake. Here in this case, I'm staking 14. For the volatility 10, you have to wait a little longer to place your trade because the number starts from 55. It starts from 55. You can see it's rebounding real quick. When it gets to 20 something, it's rebounded. So you have to be patient for it to make a long run to 55. So mark your TP. You see it has rebounded again, not even up to 10. It rebounded immediately. So mark your TP, set it to 4.0. That's 4 USD. So then wait for this number to hit 55 before you click on buy. You have to wait for it to hit 55. You can see it's rebounding so fast. Sometimes it takes a long time for it to get to 55, so you have to wait and be patient. That's 9. It rebounded again. We're watching this number right here, this number. Rebounded again. It rebounded at 22. So you have to be patient when using this strategy for V10. You have to be very, very patient. So you can set even high profit, you can stake high amount, but when you wait for that number to hit 55, you're going to make your money. So in this case, I will change the stake to even 20, 24, 26. So we're close. So once it's 55 or after 54, because sometimes you can skip 55. So that's 55. I click on buy right here. So that's what you should wait for, that number 55. After 54, you can see we made that money back. We made it just in few seconds. Just in few seconds, we made 4.30. It has rebounded again. It has rebounded again. So you have to be patient and wait again for that number to get to 55. So it rebounded at 30 something right there. MT5 rebounded. That's 40, 41, 50. So there you go again. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. That's going to be the last trade. So you can see we made another 4.3 USD right here. So when you're patient, you can make a lot of money. Volatility 10-1S is kind of slow compared to others. So it takes a lot of time to master this strategy. So I will be testing it for the past 4 months, and it's been very, very effective, and you can make a lot of money using this strategy. So for those who haven't gotten a buy sell indicator, we're still giving it away for free. It works on Deriv MT5 and other Forex broker platforms that support MT5. You can use it to trade your volatility index. You can see it's on 10 here, 75, 25. It's also on Euro USD right here. You can see the last signal here. Sell is going all the way down, all the way down. So you can see this one again is the sell signal right there. This is the last one. It's still going all the way down. This is a buy signal. It's going all the way up. This is another sell signal all the way down. So that's how this indicator works. There are some trades right here. Some of them are already in profit. So all you need to do is to attach this to any charts. You can also use it on other Forex broker platform that support MT5. It's not just Deriv MT5 alone. It works on other broker platform as well. It's a buy sell indicator, but you have to stay online when using this indicator. So we're giving it away for free. For those who don't have a trading account, we're giving this indicator away for free. So the infos are right there in the video description. To get this indicator for free, sign up for a free trading account using this link right here. Once you sign up, subscribe to all these channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all the channels. Then send an email to this email address with the subject free indicator with the last 3 digits of your account. Once we verify your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. For those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator here for $12. There's a link right there. And the good thing is when you order this indicator, you also get all our bots for free. The TRAADING bot, which works on Deriv, is automated. You get it for free. And the PLATORMS bot as well, you get it for free. You also get all our free gifts when you order the indicator. Not just the indicator. When you order any of our bots, you get the indicator for free as well. And you get some free gifts as well. So make sure you subscribe to all our channels. Make sure you subscribe. So the links to order the PLATORMS bot is a video description on YouTube. That's a link right there. And the link to order the TRAADING bot as well is right there. If you are watching on YouTube, you will see all these infos. We're going to copy and paste them there. Here is the link to sign up for a free trading account. For those who don't have a trading account, sign up using that link to test the strategies on demo before you go live. And here is the link to subscribe to our channels. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels. So there are other infos here as well. Check the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Share our videos, comment, likes, thumbs up.